In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your canvas at any point while working in Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, a social media post, or any other design, resizing your canvas effectively can make all the difference. This is particularly important if you're aiming to optimize your design for various platforms or needs. First, you'll need to be on Canva Pro, as this feature is exclusive to premium users. Once you have your design open, look for the Resize button. You'll find it conveniently located at the top of your Canva interface. Clicking on this button will open up new options, allowing you to alter the dimensions of your canvas effortlessly. Canva provides suggested sizes based on common dimensions used across different platforms. For a quick adjustment, you can opt for one of these suggested sizes. This option is fantastic for ensuring that your design fits perfectly within popular dimensions, saving you time and allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects. However, if you have a specific size in mind, you can choose the custom size option. This is ideal if your project requires exact dimensions that aren't available in the presets. Clicking here will allow you to manually enter your desired width and height. Think of it as a blank canvas on which you can dictate the exact parameters, giving you full control over your design's layout. This level of customization ensures that your design meets your precise needs without having to settle for a one-size-fits-all approach. Once you've entered your ideal measurements, simply hit the Resize this design button. And that's it, your canvas will adjust to the new specifications immediately. Keep in mind that resizing might lead to some adjustments needed within your design elements to ensure everything looks coherent. Depending on the complexity of your design, you might want to double check elements after resizing to make sure they align properly and maintain the aesthetic you're aiming for. Making good use of Canva's resizing tool not only enhances your workflow efficiency, but also maximizes your creative potential. With a few clicks, you can adapt your projects to suit various platforms, ensuring your designs look polished and professional no matter the canvas size you choose. If you followed along, hopefully you found this process straightforward and helpful in enhancing your design capabilities in Canva. Don't forget to explore other advanced features of Canva Pro to fully leverage the creative power at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!